Today, I'm gonna show you how to...
Are we always gonna have this moment that we don't know what the fuck we're supposed to say and then you're just gonna look at the camera and say nothing? Or are you gonna edit them out?
I'm not gonna edit anything out. This channel is about purity. If you're gonna be pure, there is no cutting out. So I try, okay, so every time I sit in the car, I try to record. I'm like, okay, this time I'm gonna yap. I put the camera, I try to start, and I don't know what to say. Why are you bouncing your titties, bro?
That's the only thing I can think of when I see that.
You can just sit here for like 45 minutes and bounce. Yeah. If you're so new at this, I'm supposed to look here. I'm looking there.
Oh yeah, why are we looking there?
Bro, I can see my reflection in the camera, so I'm just if you realize that I'm looking here instead of this, that means I'm just looking at myself because I care about myself more than you guys, so. When I say you guys, I mean the only 2-3 people that are gonna watch this. So, hi mom, hi dad. So today, I'm gonna walk you through my back and bicep workout step by step. I'm gonna show you every single exercise, no cutouts. You can try to do it, keep up with us. It's not that hard, it's not that easy. It's a good level. And yeah, let's just get it. Anyways, so there's a problem. When I was dieting for my show, there was this time that I ran into a problem, which is constipation. Okay, so I got constipation. I couldn't. Bro, stop! I got constipation. Okay, I got constipation.
You keep on saying it.
Let me finish.
Okay, we don't even know if. Okay.
Let me finish. I had constipation and I couldn't shit for exactly 8 days, right? I couldn't sit down, I couldn't walk. I still hit the gym though, I still hit legs, but every time I did anything,
Stop yapping about you not being able to shit.
This is some important life lessons. So if any of you guys run into this problem, best thing you can ever possibly do is not take olive oil shots. Don't do it's a waste of shit. Okay. Waste of shit. Waste of money, and it's gonna taste like absolute garbage. So what you're gonna do is make yourself some salad with only cucumbers and tomatoes. Put some vinegar in it, not white vinegar. I would prefer apple cider because that's way better and helps with digestion. Pour some apple cider, olive oil, and yeah, eat that one. Eat it. And yeah, that's gonna help you. Oh, anyway, that's not the problem. This morning, no, 2 nights ago, I woke up and I felt like my stomach is about to bro, let me yap.
The only thing that we hear about throughout the day is you yapping about your stomach. I'm tired of hearing about your shit.
Okay, no, my shit is actual important shit.
Bro, get the fuck out.
No, let me finish.
Get the fuck
I'm just gonna be quick with this. Okay, 2 nights ago I woke up with a crazy stomach pain. Now it's been exactly 48 hours that I haven't shit.
Okay, but they don't care.
No, they should care about my shit.
Bro, get the fuck out of it.
Wait! So yeah, I haven't shit for 2 days, so now I'm bloated as fuck. Yeah, I'm bloated as fuck. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go start. I'm just bloated. I just wanted to make an excuse why I look fat. So they don't think I'm on like 40% body fat. I am, I'm just joking. I'm literally obese.
We're gonna get cancelled for that, did you know? With 2 followers. Cancelled.
Okay, let's go hit some back. Okay, so while my brother is finishing up with the yapping, I'm just gonna warm up with lat pull-downs to really get some blood in my back. Because I'm gonna be doing like 3 sets of this, so this is just like get the joints warmed up, you know? Good handle? Okay, there we go. This is the most anabolic handle for lat pull downs. So yeah, try it. Why is this so wide though?
Yeah, I know. I told you this is like bullshit.
No, this is anabolic. Hey, I'm kind of warmed up, to be honest. I'm just gonna warm up. I'm gonna crack my back. How to crack your back? Nope. Ooh. Like always have a spotter and do paw troll reps. Let's go.
This shit's too wide.
That's exactly the point. I forgot the muscle name, but there is a muscle, I'm pretty sure, above your lat, under your rear delt, that makes your back look wide, right? Right now we're trying to target that. Okay, so this guy said, what did he say again?
It's not a recording.
No, it is. Just,
It is? Okay,
just make your statement again.
I said we can all fight to the death right now.
Wait. This is like exactly one of those videos where people like take this shot and they're gonna be like bodybuilders can't fight. This is exactly like
I'm not
right
doing
now.
this.
that was martial arts or bodybuilding.
That was mid-workout cardio. Now we're gonna hit some back again. Let's go. Okay, so basically what we're doing is a superset. We're supersetting bent over barbell rows with cable pullovers, right? You do 12 reps on that one, 12 reps on the other one, right? With no rest immediately. You're gonna rest for 45 seconds, then you just continue and doing your set. So basically we're just doing a kneeling single hand pull down to target the lower part of our backs. And we're doing it single hand because first of all I like this exercise, I really like it. Second of all, it's a really good movement to isolate your back and focus on single hand and focus on just one side of your lats. So if you have unbalanced lats, this is the perfect exercise for you. I don't know what to give this pump. I'm really bloated. Wow. I honestly don't know what to give this pump because I'm really bloated and the only place that I got a pump is just my lats. So yeah. I have to hit some biceps today too because they're looking pretty flat. Look at this guy. This says 2024 Mr. Olympia. 2025. Okay, now we're into, I would say the last back exercise because tomorrow we gotta wake up early for school. So we're just gonna skip one exercise because my back is fully cooked. Now we're doing a high to low pull down. So yeah, my back is fully cooked for today. What do you think about hitting some biceps though?
Yeah, we should finish the biceps. We're gonna finish until 11:40 anyway because like
Oh yeah, it's 11:16.
we cannot fucking wake up.
Yeah. School. Oh my god. The only limiting factor that's stopping me to gain 300 pounds of
Fuck education.
Okay. The only limiting factor that's limiting me from achieving my goals and reaching 340 pounds of lean muscle is school. And trend, a little bit of trend, but a little bit of trend. D-ball, just basic stuff. Basic stuff. D-ball. Anyways, alright, let's just get on with it. Okay, so we're done with that one. Let's go I'm still looking this side. I gotta look at it anyways. So we're doing straight barbell curl, straight bar curls. Let's go get it. Let's just do it. I'm not even gonna yap.
Pesada metálica, o heavy metal vai rolar. Entre hits insanos, a comédia vai dominar.
I forgot to record the previous bicep, like other than the straight bar curl. I'm just gonna let it be a mystery, so you guys eventually fall for it and keep on watching me as a daily. Now you're off to
Edging tutorial next
wrong.
week, guys.
We're doing
Don't forget to lock it for the edging tutorial.
okay.
Edge-
Now
edge
we're doing we're doing hammer curls. Let's keep it family friendly. You know, family friendly. Just keep going, keep going. This is some Laddie Bales motivation.
Let's go.
Bro, my arms are fucking cooked. Like,
Keep going. You can't pull girls because your arms are small. Go put down the weights immediately, okay?
bro, my arms are cooked.
Sure. No matter how much you pull, no matter how much you lift, you will
I can't
always
see shit. Wait.
smaller. As you guys can see, I'm not even flexing anything. I'm just standing here.
This is my signature pose.
And you look small. Okay, let me do my set now. Go. Okay, you know what they say about last set, best set? This is where we fight.
Stop yapping.
This
Here's
is
the
where-
fucking set, bro. We have to get the fuck out of here.
Alright.
Oh, guess what? Second. 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 I'm gonna go till morning. Second. Second.
Five more. I'm good.
Yep. Second. Second.
If you guys don't know what that means, I got second place in my bodybuilding show, and he's been slapping that shit on my face.
Huh?
Well, although, whoa, I mean, he keeps on reminding me that I lost. Therefore, I'm gonna do a physique check. Hold my mic.
I did not put my shit on your face. Flex, flex, flex. The lighting is kind of ass.
Boom.
But we'll check that out later.
Okay, so we're officially done for today. We skipped a few exercises, only one. And we forgot to record 1 or 2 bicep exercises. It was a good back day. The pump wasn't that good, but still it works. Better than nothing. You have anything to say? It's just so yeah. This is the video. Hope you guys enjoy and see you guys later. Peace. Okay, I just realized we don't have anything for an outro.
No, we don't.
So we might have to improvise.
This is cringe as fuck.
Okay, let's go.